Hey guys, Stanley here with another episode of 0 to 60 with Capital Motor Cars. Today we're going to be talking about the best Automaker warranties. Alright guys, so now we're going to hop into the Volkswagen bumper-to-bumper coverage. It covers 6 years or 72,000 miles of coverage. It covers mechanical and electrical defects such as brakes, tire rotations, and the vehicle's battery. Alright guys, so right after Volkswagen we have the Powertrain Warranty by Kia. It covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. What it covers is the engine, the transmission, and the drivetrain. This is very important, especially if you plan on financing your vehicle. So speaking of finance vehicles, the next warranty we have is Audi's Corrosion Warranty, which covers unlimited miles up to 12 years. This is very important because it covers natural rust or decay. So next up we have Cadillac's Roadside Assistance Warranty, which has OnStar, and it covers up to 6 years or unlimited miles. Lastly, we have Jaguar's free scheduled maintenance program, which covers 60,000 miles or 5 years. This is very important for leasees because it covers, things like engine lights and, just regular basic oil changes and tire rotations. Alright guys, that covers our episode today of 0 to 60 with Capital Motor Cars. If you have any more questions, please visit capitalmotorcars.com, and we'll see you next week. Peace!